In this video, I will show you how to complete the terms and conditions after you've registered and completed your profile. Just log back into the DivorcPros platform and click on My Next Step, Read and Sign Terms. On the next page, please make sure to complete the additional information. Please complete your full names as they are on your ID document. You also need your ID number. Your address will be pre-populated, as well as your postal address. And then towards the bottom of this page, you will see 3 documents that you need to read and review. The first one is the primary terms and conditions document. That document references 2 additional documents, the first being Annexure A, which will guide you on what information you are going to need to complete the settlement agreement online. It will also make reference to the documents you're going to need to upload, such as your ID documents and prenuptial agreement. Annexure B is also an important document. Please make sure to read and review it so that you understand our cancellation and refund policy. Once you're happy and you've read the documents, you can scroll back up and you can sign the contract digitally. Click on the Accept and Agree button to do so. On the next screen, you can download the terms and conditions by clicking on the link. There's also a link to download Annexure A that you can refer back to when you start gathering the required information for your settlement agreement. The next step would be to continue to the payment process that will also happen online. I will cover that in the next video. You will also be sent an email to your registered account with a copy of your signed agreement as well as Annexure A for your records. See you on the next video.